It all started with a 1993 Landcruiser that had a 230,000 mile 1FZ FE that leaked from everywhere possible. The entire undercarriage was soaked with oil. I mean, it leaked from everywhere. If there was a seal, it was bad. I knew it needed work, but it ran great, so I bought the truck anyway. I mean, how are you supposed to pass up on an 80 series Landcruiser? So I started making a plan to seal up the engine, and the first and easiest thing I wanted to tackle was the valve cover, but nothing could have prepared me for what I found under there. What you're looking at here is a broken timing chain guide, and the plastic is as hard as a rock. In fact, every seal was as hard as a rock. So you might be thinking, why pull the motor and rebuild it for such a simple timing chain guide? Well, let me show you. The FSM calls for the cylinder head and both oil pans to be removed in order to replace the timing chain guide on this engine. Now, you can remove the timing cover leaving the head in place, but why? If you're tearing down the motor that far in frame anyway, why not just rebuild it? To me, it was not worth the effort of doing this in frame without a lift, plus I needed to replace all the seals, coolant hoses, O-rings, clamps, the list goes on and on and on. So, welcome to the last 6 months of my Landcruiser's life. Enjoy. What you guys don't see in this video is the detailed process of the entire engine build, which is actually a 12-part series on the channel. So if you made it this far in the video and you're interested in seeing the other ones, make sure you check them out. We went through the entire wiring harness and fixed a bunch of broken connectors. We went through the transmission, installed crawler gears in the transfer case, fixed a crack in the engine block with stitching pins, and did a whole bunch of other work that just isn't in this video. I'm really actually scared to turn this. It's okay, hold on. That's a good sign. It sounds good when it's cranking over. It sounds like it's in time and everything. Probably just need to get fuel up into the fuel rail. Oh yeah, sounds good. It had a little bit of a stumble there. Smoothed out, return back to idle. The thing sounds good, man.
I know, perfect braking, man.
Alright guys, that's gonna wrap it up for this video. I hope you enjoyed it and thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll catch you on the next one. Later.